guys, I'm back to Megazord. Power Rangers Megazord. Oh, there's our Megazord phase 2. Let's go to open. Woo. First, our Power Rangers. Look. Not crashing. Okay, let's check it now. Let's Megazord. Oh, so cool. Okay, look, there's a button. Wow, it's so voice. Cheat out. Oh, okay. It's just no. Yes, okay.